we want to integrate cos cubed theta with respect to theta. When we have an odd power of cos or sine like this, we always split it so that we have cos theta and cos squared theta. And we then use our Pythagorean identity that we know sine squared a plus cos squared a is the same as 1. This means that cos squared a is the same as 1 minus sine squared a. Substituting back here, we get the integral of cos theta times 1 minus sine squared theta with respect to theta. And expanding the bracket, we get the integral of cos theta, take away the integral of sine squared theta, cos theta, d theta. If we integrate cos theta, we get sine theta. Now consider sine squared theta cos theta. Let y be equal to sine cubed theta. Remember, this is a way of writing sine theta all cubed. If we differentiate this, we differentiate the bracket first, and we get 3 times sine theta squared, and then we multiply by the differential of the inside function, giving us 3 sine squared theta cos theta. So if we integrated this, we would get this. Compare this with what we have to integrate, which is just sine squared theta cos theta. It follows we'll get a third of this. So it's minus 1/3 sine cubed theta plus a constant. The trick that we used here can always be used if we have a single cos with a number of sines, or a single sine with a number of coses. Consider if we want to integrate sine 12 theta times a single cos theta with respect to theta. We let y be sine to the 13 theta. Remember, this is a way of writing sine theta to the power 13. If we differentiate, dy dx is 13 times sine theta to the power 12 multiplied by the differential of the inside function, which is cos theta. So we've got 13 sine 12 theta cos theta. If we now compare this with this, we can see that integrating 13 sine to the power 12 theta cos theta would give us sine to the power 13 theta. Here we just have 1 sine to the 12 theta cos theta. It follows we're going to get 1/13 of the answer if we integrate 13 sine to the 12 theta cos theta. So we're going to get 1/13 of sine to the power 13 theta. And we can always use this trick, as I've said, if we have a power of sine multiplied by a single cos, or a power of cos multiplied by a single sine.